channel. It's Briana Nichole. And today's video is going to be on this lovely hair right here in this install. This 26-inch hair from Klaiyi Hair. And yeah, I worked with them plenty of times and their hair is so good. This is transparent lace, 13x4 frontal. I dyed this hair myself and yeah, it came out really good and really cute. It's a nice little summer color. And I'm coming with all the videos this summer, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have my post notifications on. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and all that good stuff like that. Make sure you follow me on my social networkings. And comment down below what you think of this hair and what other styles I should do. I love this little braided look that I did. And this lace is so good. Go ahead and zoom in. Yes, this lace is so good and I love it so much. And yeah, if you want to see how I installed this wig, go ahead and keep watching. And then all that good stuff like that. Details to the hair will be in the description box below. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is the finished look that I did. I think it's super cute. I love this lace and this hair. This hair is from Klaiyi Hair. It's 26 inches. Transparent lace. And it's really giving transparent. It looks so good. And I dyed it this color so I can have a cute little, just like a cute little summer color that I really like. And I think it looks so good. So if you enjoyed this video and this install, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're using my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hair looks and beauty and lifestyle and all that good stuff like that. Make sure you turn on my post notifications so you can see every single time I post. Details to the hair will be in the description box below and all that good stuff. Make sure you follow me on my social networkings. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed doing this one. I really like this hair. It's so soft and it's nice. And yeah, that's it for this video. It's only up from here. We're almost at 12K subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next video.